Hey guys, let's play the tambola. It's not the simple one tambola, it's the tambola of accounts. In the tambola of accounts, we have one box filled with the number of definitions of the accounts. Like this, you can see it has number of slips in it. Now, to play the tambola, we have many tambola tickets. As you can see, I have 6 tambola tickets in it. Now, to play tambola, we will choose one of the slip from this box. The slip chosen by me is the entire body of the theory and practice of accounts. Now we will keep this digit aside and check in my slip whether the accountancy word whose definition is it is written in my slip or not. I'll check in my slip accountancy word is written. Now I will cut the accountancy word from my ticket. The person whose all the words definition of the accounts written in the slips get cut is the winner of the tambola. Now we have a nice play with the tambola of accounts. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Piyush Gupta. I am from class plus 2 Commerce C. The topic of my art reading activity is wall hanging on cash flow statement. Now, cash flow statement is a statement that shows cash flows data, that is, inflows and outflows of cash and cash equivalents during the period under report. Now, what are the objectives of cash flow statement? To determine the source, applications, and net change in cash and cash equivalents. Now, cash equivalents are short-term, highly liquid investments that are readily convertible into known amount of cash, which are subject to insignificant risk of change in value. Cash flows are inflows and outflows of cash and cash equivalents. There are three types of activities: operating activities, investing activities, financing activities. Operating activities are principal revenue producing activities of enterprise and other activities that are not investing and financing activities. Now, investing activities are acquisition and disposal of long term assets and other investment not included in cash and cash equivalents. Financing activities. These are activities which result in change in size and composition of owner's capital and borrowings of enterprise. Now, what is the format of cash flow statement? First, we will calculate net profit before tax and extraordinary items. The formula for the above is difference between closing balance and opening balance of surplus. Then we will add dividend in time paid, transfer to reserve provision for tax, and subtract refund of income tax extraordinary item credited to income as statement of profit and loss. Now we will calculate cash flow from operating activities. We will add depreciation, interest, and subtract interest income, rental income. We will obtain operating profit before working capital. Now we will add decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities and subtract increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities. Then we will obtain cash flow from cash generated from operations. Now we will subtract income tax paid, then we will get cash flow from operating activities. Now we will calculate cash flow from investing activities. We will add proceeds from sale and many other things. Now we will calculate cash flow from financing activities. We will add proceeds from issue of shares and debentures and subtract entire rent and many other things. Then we will add cash flow from all the three activities and add cash and cash equivalent at the beginning of the year. Its total should be equal to cash and cash equivalents at the end of the year. Thank you.